Hi everyone! For proper way of floor installation, we have to do leveling in your house or apartment. So we have two ways. It's fast way and more expensive. It's leveling with self-leveling compound, and the cheapest way, you can grind your floor, sanding humps and fill up the low spots. So in this video I want to show you this cheapest way. You can use laser straight edge sander, and if you find the humps like I showed you here, you see from the laser we have the green spots, and we have to, this is laser showed us the high spot in our area. Exactly in this project we have a beam on the middle of the room, and it's floor banded, and we have a big hump. So I use edger, I hit down all the nails and then sand it down the plywood. So you see the aluminum straight edge, when you slide it over the plywood or concrete, make the marks, and easy to see if it's, when you slide it this straight edge, it showed, you know, like dark spots. This is the high spots you need to grind down, and you have to grind down before you can see any dark spots when you slide in the straight edge. This is the point, very easiest way. You see, now when I finish grinding, whole straight edge lay very tight to the floor, no humps, done. So another way, when we have a lowest spot, how to fill up lowest spot. I'm using to find the lowest spot in this project rope. Sometimes the old houses not pretty level, and we have to make floor flat, not level. It can sloping a little bit to one side or another side, so that's why I'm using rope. So when I found the lowest spot, I put plywood, I glue this plywood to this lowest spot. I'm using few different thickness, 5/8 plywood thickness, 1/2 inch, and 1/8, and I gluing it with, like, it looks like steps, you know. The biggest I put on the very low side, and less thickness I put on top, and I'm gluing with flooring glue, and then I'm sanding the sides. Very simple way, just you spend more time to do it, and you see I grind whole edges, and now floor flat, so I can start installation floor. You see, we did floor installation, no any waves, flat floor, very straight and flat, and this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.